In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Celestron Inspire 100AZ. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how to set up your Celestron Inspire 100AZ telescope. First, to start the assembly of your telescope, the Inspire mount and tripod will come fully assembled. Remove the tripod and the mount from the box, loosen the hand knobs at the bottom of each leg, and extend the inner section of the leg to the desired length. Tighten the knobs to secure the legs, stand the tripod upright, and pull the tripod legs apart until the folding accessory tray snaps into place. Line up the tabs on the spring-loaded accessory tray locking knob with the notches in the accessory tray and press downward. Turn the locking knob clockwise about 20 degrees to fully lock the tray into the place, and afterwards you can turn the accessory tray tension knob clockwise until it stops. With this done, the next part is to attach the telescope tube to your tripod and mount. Loosen the two tubes mounting bolts on the side of the dovetail saddle on top of the mount. Locate the dovetail bar on the bottom of the telescope tube and slide it into the saddle. When the dovetail is centered in the saddle, tighten the two tube mounting bolts, starting with the larger one first. Finish by tightening the smaller one. Remove the lens cap when you are ready to observe by simply pulling it off the lens shade. Next, use the erect diagonal. So to install the erect image diagonal, remove the caps from both sides of the diagonal, loosen the set screws on the back of the telescope focuser and pull out the small dust cap. Insert the smaller tube on the diagonal into the back of the focuser and secure it by tightening the screws. You can use the eyepieces, so to install an eyepiece, loosen the set screws on the back and end of the erect image diagonal. Insert the silver barrel of the 20mm eyepiece into the diagonal, tighten the set screws to secure the eyepiece, and to see the sharpest image possible, adjust the telescope's focus. You will be able to install the finder scope, so slide the finder scope bracket into the dovetail slot on the telescope on the top of the focuser and secure the bracket by tightening the set screw on the dovetail slot. You can also attach a flashlight below, and you will be able to move the telescope using these functions at the back. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Celestron Inspire 100AZ. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.